Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is sport in plants. We know that there are four main organs of the plant body, that are roots, stem, leaves and flowers. The job of the root is to hold the plant in the ground, and the stem keeps the plant in the air, and it bears leaves and flowers. The leaves of the plants need to get as much light as possible so that they can use it for the process of photosynthesis, and flower must be held up in the air so that they can be pollinated by wind or the passing insects. Plants are supported by a framework of vascular bundles that are also known as veins. Vascular bundle consists of xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for the conduction of water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the tip of the leaves. And phloem is responsible for the conduction of or transport of food that is prepared in the leaf by the process of photosynthesis up and down the plant where it is needed. And this food is needed for the process of respiration by all the cells of the plant body. Cells within the framework are supported by the water pressure inside them. Xylem tubes in the vascular bundles have thick, strong walls, so they become ideal for supporting a plant. And they are like a skeleton that is running through the plant from the ends of the root to the tip of the leaves. But this diagram shows the arrangement of the veins in the root, stem and leaves. We can see that in the root stems, veins runs through the middle of the root. This is the middle of the roots, and these are the veins that run in the middle. These roots run in the middle because roots does not need much support, because soil holds the roots in place in the ground. And due to the presence of the vascular bundle in the center of the roots, a plant is able to resist being pulled out of the ground. And when these veins come in the stem, they are arranged in a ring round the outside. These are different rings, and they are they are different vascular bundles, and they are arranged in a ring around the outside. And due to this arrangement of the vascular bundle in the ring form, the stem is able to stand up the wind that can blow the plant over. And the veins come closer together to squeeze to the narrow parts of the plant, like the stalk of the leaf. You can see here these veins are coming close together to squeeze to the stalk of the leaf, and as they come out of the stalk, they again spread out across the leaf to hold it flat and broad so that it can get maximum amount of sunlight for the process of photosynthesis and for the exchange of gases with the surrounding air. This is a ciliary stalk, and in the ciliary stalk we can clearly observe the veins, because in ciliary stalks the veins are just below the outer layer of the cells. And you can also see that these long lines, they indicate the veins. Veins mean the vascular bundle that consists of xylem and phloem. But next we have to do test yourself. Today we will do question number 1 to 3. Question number 1. Why do leaves and flowers need support? The answer will start from this line. The leaves of a plant need to get as much light as they can for the process of photosynthesis. Flower must be held up in the air so they can be pollinated by the wind or the passing insects. Up to this. Question number 2. Explain how vascular bundles support a plant. The answer will start from this line. Plants are supported by a framework of vascular bundle, also called veins, up to this line, ends of the roots to the tip of the leaves. Question number 3. Give one place where vascular bundles are, part A, close together. The answer will start from this line. Veins are close together to squeeze through the narrow part, like instead of this you have to write the leaf stalk. Question number 3, part B. Give one place where vascular bundles are spread out. The answer is veins spread out across a leaf to hold it flat. The leaf can absorb lot of light for photosynthesis. Up to this. Thank you.